This is a good little bedroom heater. Works well. Very, very simple. Very simple to use. This right here would be like your thermostat. So you put your temperature where you want it to shut off. And your settings, you have two heat settings. You have a fan setting, and then you have off. So that's off. That is a cool fan. That would be the lower heat setting, and that is the higher heat setting. So it would shut off right there. Let me turn it on a little bit. And it also has, like if it falls, it'll shut itself off. And it works well. It's really hot right now. For like a bedroom, it's great. So it's very simple. Just a few settings, and it works great. I like that it has that if it falls down and you're not there to see it, it'll shut itself off. So I hope this helps, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.